So you can get the source code of this application in the Patreon, which is Confused Student. The link will be available in the description and comment section. Okay. So and you can get all of this source code for free. And make sure to join the membership. And you can have a chat with me. And let me show you one benefit if you join the membership for only $27.69. This Rectify hotel booking app of complete Firebase and Flutter will cost you about $35 in this Gumroad, but you can get only this source code at $27.69. Okay, so make sure to join the membership and also join the membership for free. So you can get the notification if the new source code is uploaded.